Hello friends! The steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have years of experience working at this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix it. When a customer brings in a water heater showing error E02, the first thing they usually say is, "It doesn't heat at all," and E02 just appeared out of nowhere. What's really happening is that the unit isn't properly detecting the flame. It's as if the heater tries to ignite but doesn't get confirmation that the flame is stable, so it shuts down to protect itself. Interestingly, other customers share very similar experiences, saying things like, "My heater tried to ignite several times, then E02 popped up." This makes it clear that it's not a random fault, but something is interrupting communication between the flame sensor and the control board. It's like the sensor's data isn't reaching the brain of the heater properly. In fact, in many cases that come into the shop, we find that the most common cause is a dirty or misaligned flame sensor. One technician once said, "I cleaned it with a cloth and a little air, and the error stopped appearing for a few days." This makes sense because any dirt or soot buildup can prevent the sensor from properly detecting the flame, sending the wrong signal. Meanwhile, other customers have had loose wiring or slightly disconnected connectors. As one of our technicians explains, if the sensor doesn't send the correct signal, the board assumes the flame isn't present and triggers error E02, so even something as simple as checking connections can make a big difference. On the other hand, we've seen cases where the sensor and wiring are fine, but the error persists due to a problem with the control board. Some customers report, "The technician told me the board wasn't interpreting the sensor signal correctly anymore and needed replacement." This shows that sometimes the fault isn't the sensor itself, but how the electronics interpret its data. Additionally, many technicians try a basic reset, turning off the heater, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then powering it back on. In several cases, this temporarily clears the error because the unit forgets inconsistent readings stored in memory. However, this doesn't replace a physical check or cleaning of the sensors.